everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make pistachio butter. So this butter came about because I'm getting ready for all of the beautiful farmers markets coming up this summer, and I wanted something that I can put onto beautiful grilled vegetables, gorgeous roasted vegetables. I love making fresh strawberry muffins on the weekends, so I'll put that on my muffins in the morning, and it's just a beautiful butter that really is just packed full of flavor. And I'm going to show you how to make it, but there's lots of little tips and tricks along the way that you can also use to make other what are called compound butters, which is exactly what this is. So let me give you a little overhead view of what I have cooking on my countertop. So here I have a half a cup of unsalted dry pistachios that have been sauteed in a little saute pan over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, and they're still a little warm to be put into the butter. So I'm just gonna dump them onto my countertop and let those sit for a minute. And then let me talk you through the butter. So for the butter, I have 1 stick, 8 tablespoons of very room temperature unsalted butter. I like to start with unsalted butter when I do compound butters. That way there I can be the one controlling the salt and what kind of salt, because I'm going to put in this beautiful French fleur de sel. I know you've heard me talk about this salt. It's one of my favorites, and it's this beautiful, let's see if you can see it, it's this really pretty, kind of very fine flakes of salt, and it has a kind of a briny taste like the ocean, and it's a perfect finishing salt, and really what I love to use in my compound butters. I have some freshly cracked black pepper. I think that's another really important ingredient in this because that just kind of awakens all the flavors. And then here's our pistachios. So I'm just going to give them a rough chop. You don't have to finely mince them. You don't have to worry about if every little pistachio is the same size. You just want to kind of get some variation here. And this is what's going to give this butter absolutely amazing, amazing flavor. So that looks about right. Just rough chop. And then we're going to add all of this into our butter. And then mix this around, make sure it's really well mixed. What I love about my pistachio butter and making other compound butters is you can really put anything you want in the butter. So on my website, marksievers.com, I have a post called Fancy Schmancy Butter, which is, of course, my version of compound butters. And I have one that has jam, I have one that has cinnamon, I have another one that has chocolate. So check those out. I'll put the link to that post in the video above, right here. And then, so that's perfect. So my other tip for compound butters is you have to wrap it in some sort of parchment paper or plastic wrap. I find these parchment baking sheets are the easiest way. This is about the size of a half sheet pan. They come from the store or online flat, and I love this because there's no wrestling with rolls of parchment paper that are getting all over the place, and this just makes my baking life very easy. So regardless of what you're using, you want to cut about a 5-inch wide by, I don't know, a foot or so. And you want to place the butter, scrape it out, and you want to place the butter right on one of the short ends of the parchment paper. And then you want to literally shape it back into a stick. And the easiest way to do that is to fold it over onto itself a little bit. And then just kind of use your fingers and tuck under. You can see I'm just tucking under, getting a nice, dense roll. Roll it up. And we're going to put that in the refrigerator. But come with me because I have one already done that I can show you. So this one goes into the refrigerator. And then I have one that's already nice and chilled here. So as you can see, it's the most beautiful pistachio butter. You could put this right onto grilled vegetables, makes its own sauce. You still use it room temperature to put on, of course, toast or muffins or really anywhere you want to add butter with a little bit of extra flavor. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and head over to marcsievers.com for this recipe, as well as lots of entertaining ideas, tips and tricks, and of course, information on both of my books. Until next time, I'm Marc Sievers. Bye, guys. Is it bad to just want to eat the butter right out of the thing? Probably. But I'll take a little bit. Pistachio butter. It's perfect. Bye, guys.